this dude like, I'm praying for y'all. Y'all need Jesus putting these 24x14s on a level 2018 truck. Y'all need some help. Y'all crazy. What's going on, guys? So this is actually the first video I'm making because this is the 33 versus, or the 22x12s versus the 24x14s, and as you see, we have them on, but I have the 22x12s obviously on the other side, so I've only changed two so far. So I'm hot, I'm sweaty, I'm looking gross, but this is I'm going to make this first video, and then the video that you're going to be seeing before this one is actually going to be the reveal of the truck with the 24x14s. So you've already seen most of it, but I wanted to do this little video kind of comparing what it looks like just directly side by side, literally 22x12s versus 24x14s. Not like, you're probably not going to actually run 24x14s on the truck with just a leveling kit, but they do fit. It does turn. I don't know how much it turns. I mean, I was able to go down the driveway, which has got a pretty good, I mean, it's a long curve, but it is a curve. But yeah, so I'm gonna flip it around, show y'all what it is. Let's check it out. Hopefully the wind noise is not too bad, but guys, it's gonna be hard to go back to the 22s. I mean, not really, but this looks insane. But they're so freaking wide. And this isn't, you gotta think, now this isn't a lift kit, so this isn't pushed out, this is no spacers. You know, when you run a lift kit on these Chevrolets, it pushes the front end out 2 extra inches in the front. So this is not that, this is pure stock front components. 3-inch leveling kit, and 24x14s, and 35 1250 tires. They actually fit a lot better than I thought they would. I thought these things were nowhere near gonna fit on this truck, but they actually work pretty daggone good. So let's check out the other side, which is now gonna be depressing looking. Oh no, I'm just kidding. I still absolutely love these, but they definitely look tiny now. Oh my gosh, they look tiny. Never thought that I would think 22x12s would look small on this truck as it sits with just a leveling kit, but daggum, it looks tiny now. Let's see the front. Gosh dang it, they are huge. Also like the way the cleavers look on here. Not a huge directional wheel fan, but I must say cleavers look good. But yeah, I mean, this is insane. Obviously the truck and the wheels are really dirty right now. I plan to clean the truck and the wheels before I make the full video with all 4 of them on the truck, but I haven't yet, so that's why it's dirty, and that's why it was clean in the other video, because I'm having a little foresight, so I know what I'm gonna do, so I'm talking about it now, even though I haven't actually made that video yet. But my gosh, I mean, I could just, the video is pretty much over at this point, but I'm just can't believe it. 35 1250s with 24x14 -76 fuel cleavers on a truck with a 3-inch leveling kit and no blocks in the back. The back, I'm really surprised this is as high as it is still, because that's with no blocks. So this is just leaf springs, so it's technically a 1-inch drop from factory, and there's still a ton of room. I thought it was gonna be a lot closer. I mean, it's pretty close right here, but I thought it was gonna be closer. I honestly didn't even think they were gonna fit. Gosh, man, this thing is freaking insane. So y'all comment down below, let me know what you think of these. I'm sure you already have on the other video, but let me know what you think. So y'all let me know what you think. I'll catch you on the next one. Dude, this lighting, holy crap, it's insane. This lighting is so good on the freaking tent. I'm still filming. I can't even talk. I'm just filming because it's amazing, and I'm freaking out. I mean, look at it, my gosh. Wish I had a sick, nasty camera. Dang, that is wicked. That is sick.